Start by putting our flask into the kiln. We close the door. We turned it on using this button here, and then so turn it on. It runs through a test. And then I'm going to go, so now we have setup, and I'm going to hit number 1, that's program 1, enter. And then I'm going to go over here to my delay start. Okay, and the time is 11:24, 1, 1, 2, 4, and this is done in military time. So we hit enter. Okay. Now we're going to hit this button here, and we want day 1, so we hit 1, enter. And then we do this again. Our end time we want to be at 7 o'clock. So we go 0, 7, 0, 0, enter. And we should be able to just hit start. And we should be done.